So what's ultimately the point? What is success? What are you trying as a head of an HR shared services center, a head of a finance and accounting team internally, head of logistics, supply chain, order management, whatever you're responsible for delivering for the business, what's success for you? And it's probably not servers set up and access rights granted and infosec ameliorated so that they can let you actually now start to dip your toe in it's just so hard, and there's an easier way to do it.
Yeah, absolutely. And nor is it, by the way, the number of robots that you run, and which seems to be the unit of measure that people are wielding as their as their credibility badge. It's not. It shouldn't be about how many robots. In fact, it should be the opposite. If you can transform and digitize an operation with a small footprint of technology, then you're in a better place than somebody who's deployed thousands of robots. So the point is, it's about reduction of or replacement of work effort.
Right.
And that's actually another key thing about the way that we deliver the platform is we're not automating people, we're automating work. Mm-hmm. And that slight nuance change creates a whole different level of embracing and adoption in organizational teams.
Right. Oh, I couldn't agree more. On multiple levels. One, I do rant about this, that robot is a meaningless measure of scale, size, transactional capability. So when people say, I have 50 robots deployed, and someone else goes, "Wow, man, I want to be. I can't wait to be her. She's my hero. We only have 5." I just kind of say, stop. And neither of you is. I mean, you're not communicating necessarily yet. There's more information you need to know from each other to decide whether 50 or 5 is good, bad, or even relevant. And so that's one of my rants. And then the other, really, as you say, is. I think, is enabling people to do their best work. Mm-hmm. This is in almost every case in the organizations that we speak to, and I'm keenly interested in the after effect, in the impact of this digital sort of projects that we do. Mm-hmm. And it's a very few cases that we hear that this has reduced headcount, or even was the point initially. Mm-hmm. It's unleashed people to do great things. There's all sorts of interesting success stories around sort of higher value added work, or outbound calling for more proactive servicing, or just nonlinear growth. Mm-hmm. Just the company's growing and we can't find enough people fast enough.
Yep.
So that's, I think, what people should major on.